What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over friend Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.058, up almost 10% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 393 million, 24-hour volume 392 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up, grab up to 30K in bonuses, or BitGet up to 8K in bonuses. BitGet's where I do the majority of my trading. Check out my full-length tutorials in the description. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So Gala Games has seen a nice little bounce. I think the likely scenarios we're putting in ABC of the wave 5 of the ending diagonal, which could take you up to about 0.068 or just up to break this high before rolling over. The alternative scenario is that the 5-wave move is already complete, and right now you're putting in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback, and then you would see continuation down. So if you start to break the 0.786, which would make it less likely for it to be a wave 2, which is currently sitting at 0.060. Right here is a 0.786. If it breaks above that, then it's less likely it's a wave 2. And you could see that wave 5 play out. Either way, I do think a pullback is coming for Gala. Money slowing out to losing strength, as I've been showing you guys here on the daily time frame, pushing up into resistance. But we have broken out of this bull flag, and we currently are holding it as support, and that gives you a technical target of about 12 cents. Anything can happen. That's why I always show you guys every scenario that I can find and just tell you guys what I think is more probable. And personally, I think we may complete this ending diagonal, but it's more probable that we see a larger pullback before pushing all the way up to a price target like 12 cents. As I've been mentioning, these are signs that the whales are taking their profits. Now, these divergences on the daily can take time to play out, but we can also see them here on the 4-hour time frame. Steadily, we're moving higher very, very slowly while we're losing strength on the RSI. So eventually, I do think pullback is likely, but it wouldn't be the first time where I saw divergences and you just consolidated, and then boom, you broke higher. It's possible, but as I mentioned, I do think Bitcoin will see a rejection soon. If not, then probably at 25K and see a large pullback. And I think that's what we'll see for Gala Games as well. Beautiful pump to the upside, but this is really the first. Well, I think we had one other one. Yeah, right here, where we had a huge pump to the upside for Gala Games in this bear market. I remember that pump very well. 134%. Obviously, we've come down a lot more, but yeah, this is like a 284% push to the upside. So there is definitely potential that a bottom could be in for Gala Games, but even if a bottom is in, then what you would see is a wave 1 to the upside, and you pull back in a wave 2, and that's where I would look to really add to my HODL position before shooting up in a wave 3. Either that or we come down, we create a lower low if Bitcoin were to go to 12K. All right, gang, that's it for this one. So we've already put in a wave A, had a wave B pullback. So you'd look for a 5-way move to push up in a C. And especially if we break the 0.786, which was coming in at about 0.061, I believe. We'll measure it one more time. 0.060. If it breaks above that, less likely it's a wave 2 pullback. That's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to either BitGet or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. You can see how the members are doing. They like to post their profits in here. Some of them, they make some juicy gains. And you can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. It's only $10 a month, same price as a Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal, McDonald's. Sign up to the Patreon, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.